Answer your most complex biological questions. Streamline your novel multiomics insights. Accelerate your next proteomics discovery. Introducing Illumina Protein Prep, an end-to-end NGS solution for protein quantification, powered by SOMAmer technology. Unlock unprecedented discovery power by detecting over 9,000 proteins on Illumina NovaSeq systems. Achieve market-leading performance with high specificity, sensitivity, and precision. Access seamlessly integrated data analysis and visualization for proteomic and multiomic readouts. With Illumina Protein Prep, you can launch the next era of multiomic breakthroughs.